Hello friends, in this video we'll learn how to plot line chart using matplotlib in Python. The topics which we will cover today is, first of all, how to plot the size of the graph. Okay, first we will see that. Then next one is that we can show the grid in our graph, and we will learn how to show that grid in our graph. Then the third topic is changing the line color. You can set different colors to all the different lines. Then fourth one, we will learn how to change the width of the line. Okay, so individually you can change the width of any line. And the fifth one is that we will learn how to style a line. There are 4 ways how we can style a line, how a line can be seen. So these are the points which we will see today. So let's check for the first one. Through figure function we can set the size of a graph, and the argument associated with is figure size. So we have to give the width and the length of it, and then the size accordingly will be displayed for the graph. So let's check. Okay, first I have to comment the topics which I have written, so let me do that first. Okay, then after doing everything you have to save and then run your source code. So you can see that the graph size has been modified. Let me show you first without writing this figure. So I'm commenting this and then execute it once again. Now as you can see that the by default size of figure is a bit small, so you can change it by giving any other figure size. Now the size has been modified and the graph is a bit bigger than the default size, so you can use this feature accordingly whenever it is required. Now next topic is to show the grid, and for that the function which we will use is grid. It is also of pyplot, so we have to set it to true to show all the grid lines. Okay, so the grid lines are all the small lines or the squares which you can say which we can see in a graph. Okay, if you have seen a graph paper which we use to plot, similarly a graph will look after we will set this graph grid to true. So let's execute our program now and see how it shows. See, you can see all the grid lines over here. This is just like a graph paper how we used to plot it in our childhood, so it is similar to that of a graph paper. Now the next topic, which is line color. So you can give different colors to all the different lines in your graph, and you have to do that by giving the argument color of for the line. Okay, there are different colors symbol like Y for yellow, G for green, R for red, B for blue. So you have to give that as a argument in the plot function itself. Okay, let me give some color to both the lines. First let us see it. By default color you can see is blue and orange kind of, so now we will change it to some different color. So let me set the first line as let it be as green. Okay, so the first line color will be green, and the second one I think I should use yellow. So I have set these. Now we will save the source code and then execute it. Okay, so the line colors have changed. It has changed to green and then yellow. Now we will see how we can change the width of any line, and the argument for that is line width. Okay, the argument for that is line width. So we have to set give any value, numeric value to the line width, and accordingly it will display the width or thickness of the line. So you can see I have made one line only a bit more thicker. So now it's showing that the green line which I plot earlier is a bit thicker than that of the yellow one. So now let me change the width of the second one also, and I will give the argument line width equal to and then some value, like suppose 5. Okay, now check for it, run the program, and you can see it is much more thicker than the previous line. So this is how you can change the line width, as we say that you can change the thickness of the line very easily. Now the last topic for today is that how you can change the style of a line. By style we means that a line can be displayed like the regular ones as you have seen, or the line will be like dotted ones. It can be in the form of dash and a combination of dash and dot. So the normal one is called solid, and then we have dash, dotted, and then dash dot. So first one I have made dash, and since I haven't given any style to the second one, it will be like solid only. See, the first line is dash and the second one is solid. By default it will be solid only. Now let me change the other line style also. So you can either write line style or you can also write ls, okay, to give the line style. So both the arguments is acceptable. So let me make it ls equal to dotted. Okay, now let me save and then run, and then you will see how it appears. I have already shown you dashed, so let me make it as dash dot this time. Okay, now it's done, you can see. So the first line is dash dot with dark green color and the other one is dotted. Okay, so there are 4 style of a line: solid, dash, dot, dotted, and the last one is dash dotted. So this was all about styling a line. In my next video I will show you about scatter chart, how you can plot a scatter chart, and we will see some more attributes. Subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you friends, and take care.